Repeat after me. With solid sense of responsibility, I pledge myself before God. Before this assembly and before the public. To hold my diploma as a sacred trust. To help preserve the dignity of Metro Manila College. And render efficient service in mind. I will do in my power to serve the best interest of my alma mater, my country, and my fellow men. Therefore, I invoke the generous aid of Almighty to enlighten my thoughts and direct my acts. Upon assuming this great moral obligation and responsibilities entrusted upon me, so help me God.
Ladies and